So to do your own warm oil massage at home, you need to choose your oil. You need to find a way of warming it up. You need to know the basics of how to give yourself this massage. I like to, before heading directly into the shower, I like to let it soak in for a little bit. So having a set of old clothes that you can change into, like just an old sweatshirt that you can run around in all oiled up for 10 or 15 minutes is fantastic. And then you just move in and have a shower. So once you find your oils and your little setup, I would say it takes minimum 10 minutes up to, gosh, as long as you want to leave the oil on, maybe a half an hour um, before heading into the shower. Here's a picture of my setup, and this works pretty well for me for doing my own massage at home. I have a Pyrex bowl, and I purchased one of those very inexpensive cup warmers. So this little cup warmer, the white thing you see with the little light on it, that plugs into an outlet. And the oil that I am using right now is jojoba oil. And I squirt in a couple beautiful squirts of rose nurturing oil from Dr. Hauschka. And the type of oil that you use really depends on your Ayurvedic constitution. Sesame oil works for most constitutions, jojoba oil works for most constitutions. Sometimes coconut oil is nice. And I'll tell you, you know, there are oils from companies like Banyan that are made specifically for constitution. So my particular constitution is Vata Kapha. So I might use a Kapha pacifying or balancing oil that I order from a fancy place like Banyan. My formulary carries these oils, so you can order them through there. But many yoga centers too have different kinds of oils that are specific blends for your constitution. But hey, you cannot go wrong in our day and age pacifying vata because that means we're pacifying too much activity. And I don't know about you, but overstimulation is, I think, almost universal around here. So, calming and grounding for most of us will help us manage stress, help us just feel better energetically, help us sleep, and so forth. And it's a beautiful thing to do for ourselves as self care. So once your oil is warm, but not hot, it can burn you. So, be a little careful with your oil. I usually let it warm up for 10 or 15 minutes. I might turn it on in the morning and then run around, maybe have fix myself a quick breakfast or something like that, and then come back and begin this massage. So when your oil's warm, but not hot enough to burn your skin. You do not want that. You want it nice and warm and it wants to be pleasant. So you pour a little into your hands, you rub your hands together and begin at the crown of your head. So with a circular motion, you massage the very top of your head, then your ears, then your feet. Those are the three big points to get with a Abhyanga warm oil massage. Now, there's a lot more of you than that, isn't there? And for me, I love to begin with my head. I do my face. I do my ears. I rub my throat quite a bit, just to help my voice. And I love to get my elbows because my elbows get quite dry. I rub around my third chakra or my belly. I give lots of love to my belly and my hips, and I'm massaging in a circular motion all the way down my legs. And I do my arms, my full arms, and my full legs. I do my whole darn body, but make sure you get the crown, your ears, and your feet. Those are important places to get. Okay. So, and here's the thing, when you first start any new practice, you're just not very good at it by definition. And give it a little bit, give it a couple tries. And once you're all oiled up, for me, I put on old clothes and I might let it soak in for 15 or 20 minutes. And then I head into a nice warm shower. And I first rinse off I put it in my hair too. I oil up my hair because I am super Vata and getting dry, and especially in the winter, it just helps me so much. Um, yeah, so that's what I do, and then I step into the shower, and, there you go. It's such a great thing to try, especially if you're experiencing a lot of ungroundedness, having trouble sleeping, anything like that. This is a wonderful Ayurvedic practice to introduce to yourself and your way of being. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and have yourself a beautiful day. Namaste.